and thank you for joining me for another episode of the Digi Files. Today, we will be discussing speeding up your website in order to perform better on organic search. So why does optimizing your website page speed matter? It lowers bounce rates and increases conversion rates. Page speed is considered one of the many essential factors for determining ranking on Google and the first impression a first-time customer has when interacting with your site. So you want them to be happy in return. Because speed is a critical factor, I will share some tips to optimize your website speed. According to Google research, if a page takes more than 6 seconds to load, the bounce rate will increase by over 100%, and the probability of conversion will drop by 95%. So this is an abstract taken from the study. Ideally, your page load should be less than 3 seconds. So the first thing to do is check your website speed through Google's free tool Page Speed Insights, which I'll link to the blog. It's fairly simple to analyze, and it will give you some suggestions and recommendations on how to optimize your website, both on desktop and mobile. I've got an example here, Amazon.ae, which is the United Arab Emirates site, only because a study conducted by Amazon showed that they would lose 1.6 billion every year if they slowed down by just 1 second. So we know that slow pages are a major obstacle for conversion. So the next 5 tips will help ensure your website loads faster and will have a positive impact on your ranking. Of course, there are many other complex issues that can slow your page down, but I'm going to discuss the most common ones here. Compress heavy images. The easiest and probably quickest way for you to speed up your website is by compressing images, particularly heavy ones. Your page size needs to be under 500 kilobytes to perform better. There are several free tools to use and some web hosting services providing plugins such as WordPress. Fix poor coding. Poorly designed coding is a common cause of slow pages. By minifying HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, the extra code is removed so that your file sizes and code become more manageable for your service to deliver to visitors. Implement AMP. AMP is accelerated mobile pages, and they are designed to give mobile users a more engaging experience by delivering fast load pages. With AMP, it is possible to create simple mobile websites that load almost instantly. Enable caching. Browser caching is another tool that can make a big impact with relatively little effort when it comes to page speed. It works by remembering the previously loaded resources so that it doesn't have to reload them up every single visit, resulting in a big increase in speed when people land on your site. Use a content delivery network. CDNs are networks of servers that are used to distribute the load of delivering content. Essentially, copies of your site are stored at multiple geographical diverse data centers so that users have faster and more reliable access to your site. It basically loads from different servers based on the visitor's region. By implementing these tips, you will see a faster page load, which is critical to your online success. Google announced that page experience signals will roll out in May 2021, making page speed a priority for core web vitals. Thank you for tuning in, and I wish you an amazing rest of the week.